Les Articles Indéfinis, the indefinite articles. So in English we have a and an. A is used before the words with a consonant, starting with a consonant. An is used when the word starts with the vowel sound, like an apple. But in French, it's a whole different ball game. So it is to do with the masculine and feminine words. So for masculine nouns, you use un. For feminine words, you use une. And for plural, you use they. As usual, in the plural words, you wouldn't know if it is a masculine or a feminine word. And as you know, that definite articles are used for specific words, if you're talking about a specific book, like I said before. And it's just the opposite with the Les Articles Indéfinis. You use it when you're talking about some random book, a book. It could be anybody's book, so which is indefinite. So when there's no specificity, that's when you use the indefinite articles, as you know. Just a quick recap. So here are some examples, starting with an indefinite article. A stilo. It's a masculine word. A stilo. A pen. An ordinateur. A computer. An ordinateur. A computer. A billet. A ticket. A billet. A ticket. A train. A train. A train. A train. And examples for the feminine articles. So for une femme, a woman. Une femme. Une clé, a key. Une clé. Une sœur, a sister. Une sœur. So if you identify this is a new letter formed with two letters that exists in French. So this is a mix of O and E. It simply is pronounced as E. So it's sœur. Une bouteille, a bottle. Une bouteille. Examples for plural, indefinite articles for they. Des écoles. Some schools or schools. So in English we can say there are schools, but in French you can never say that because an article is compulsory. So you have to say there are some schools. So when translating a French sentence into English, if it's written il y a des écoles, that means there are some schools. So you can translate it into English as there are schools or there are some schools. Both work. But in French, it has to have a definite or an indefinite article or an adjective. That's a different story I'm going to teach you later. Des billets, some tickets or tickets. Des billets. Des hôpitaux, some hospitals or hospitals. Des hôpitaux. So if you have noticed in the plural form, so in the singular form you have an L, hôpital. When it becomes a plural, you add this one. Des oranges, some oranges or oranges. Des oranges. It's pretty simple and easy actually. Now guess the indefinite article for the first one. Une femme. Correct. Des dames. Correct, it's a plural. So there is an S there, it's a plural. So some ladies. Une fille. A girl. So fille is also used for daughter as well. Une fille also could mean a daughter. Un homme. A man. Des trains. Trains or some trains. This is a new word. Un couteau. A knife. So the plural of it would be des couteaux with an X. Un melon. It means a melon. It's a masculine word. Des plantes. Some plants or plants. Des garçons. Some boys or boys. Un chat. A cat.